Hello folks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about what is big data. Data is any set of characters that has been gathered and translated for some purpose, usually analysis. It can be any character including text and numbers, pictures, sounds or video. Digital data are discrete, discontinuous representations of information or work. It is a binary language. Big data. Collection of data sets so large and complex that it becomes difficult to process using on-hand database management tools or traditional data processing applications. Types of big data. Structured data. Unstructured data. Semi-structured data. Geospatial data. Machine or operational logging data. Open source data. Structured data refers to any data resides in a fixed field within a record or file. Support ACID properties. Structured data has the advantages of being easily entered, stored, queried, and analyzed. Structured data represent only 5 to 10% of all informatics data. Unstructured data is all those things that can't be so readily classified and fit into a neat box. Unstructured data represent around 80% of data. Techniques: data mining association rule, regression analysis, text mining, NLP, etc. Semi-structured data is a cross between the two. It is a type of structured data, but lacks the stricter data model structure. Semi-structured data is information that doesn't reside in a relational database, but that does have some organizational properties that make it easier to analyze. 5 V's of big data. Volume, velocity, variety, value, veracity. Was it helpful? We hope you enjoyed this video. Tell us what you think.